It was simple when the ends low. Switch the tempo.
Good, eh?
Where my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chippin, and you'll know what time it is. So today's recipes are gonna be very unique and very simple. Like, you know, one of those days when you're kind of lazy and you just want something quick, you can just grab these ingredients and get yourself some food, all right? So I have me here lobster roll. Very easy to make and very delicious, okay? And this is the lettuce wrap burger, all right? And this is now the trending burger. They call it the smash burger or the onion burger. This is like a copycat of the In-N-Out burger, okay? Now, I'm not gonna long talk it. We're gonna go straight into the ingredients and start cooking. Stay tuned. So, our ingredients for this, these three recipes is gonna be very simple because they are quite similar. So, of course, we have here a meat patty. All right, that is for both the lettuce wrap and onion burger. Okay, and then we have lobster here that we're gonna cook in salt water for the lobster roll. All right, we have American cheese, sweet relish. Then we have a combination of mayo and ketchup. All right, so if you don't find this, you can just mix mayo and ketchup, all right, in a bowl and you're good to go. Then we have some vegetables. I have here lettuce for the lettuce wrap, some tomatoes, and onions, all right? Y'all know what time it is. It's cooking time. Now let's get cooking. So we're gonna start with the onion burger or smash burger, whatever you wanna call it, all right? So into your skillet, you're gonna throw in just a little bit of oil, like so. Then we're gonna light it up. Once our oil is heated enough, we add in our meat patties. Hit it. All right. Now we're gonna season this with just salt and pepper. All right. Our salt. And here comes our black pepper. You don't know I love to grind. So while our meat patty is cooking, we're gonna go ahead with the lobster to begin the lobster roll. So into a pot of water and salt, a lot of salt though, all right? We're gonna start cooking our lobster. We're gonna flip. There we go. Then we're going to season this side too with the same seasoning. That's salt and pepper. Black pepper. That's enough. How well you want your meat patty depends on you. I love my medium rare, so yeah. We all done. What we have here. I like it a bit soggy. If you don't, you can just take a paper towel and put it on a plate. There we go. So now we're done cooking our meat patty. We're going to begin with the onion. So with the onion, what I noticed that they use is the Vidalia onion. So that's what I'm going for, right? And you want to cut it. Just watch the video and see how I'm going to cut it. Okay, so this is going to be a chunk. This is one. Like so. All right, so this is what we're going for, right? This is the consistency you're going for. See that thickness? This is gonna be our bun. All right, this right here. Once we're done cutting our onions into the same skillet that we fried our meat patties in, we're gonna put them down, all right? Like so. There we go. And then we're gonna grind. Coming with our black pepper. And a little bit of salt to enhance the flavor. While our onions are doing their thing, the lobster, once it turns red, you know it's done, all right? So after just like 30 seconds, we're gonna try flipping this bad boy here. We're gonna be careful with it though. There we go. You're gonna have to be very careful. There we go. Oh, this piece is not gonna make it. The same thing, we're gonna come in with some black pepper and a little bit of salt. There we go. See, we're almost done. Once your lobster is done, it's gonna look like this, all right? So you strain the water out and you come in with some cold water to cool it down, all right? To stop the cooking process. So this is cold water to stop the cooking process, all right? So now what we're gonna do is make this sauce to go with the burgers, all right? So this here is my mixture of ketchup and mayo, all right? And I'm gonna come in here with some sweet relish. Yeah. You want to mix well. ladies and gentlemen, that is it right there. This is gonna be our sauce for the burgers, all right? And the lobster roll as well. So right now it's assembling time. That is with the onion burger, all right? So in comes my cheese. And meat patty. I told you this is very simple, all right? This is very easy to make. Another cheese. Another meat patty. And then on top of it comes your onion, all right? Now look at that. So we're gonna put this in the microwave, all right? And it's all done, just to melt the cheeses a little bit, okay? You'll know what time it is. We're gonna begin assembling our lettuce wrap. We already have our meat patties all done. So here we go, all right? So we just sprinkle a little bit of salt on the lettuce. You know what time it is, just a little bit. And we're gonna come in with our cheese. And then meat patty. Some onions. And another cheese. And then some tomatoes. Then our final wrap. There you have it. And then just know this is also gonna go in the microwave to warm up a little bit. While all that is happening, we're gonna take out the meat from the shells of the lobster and move on to the next process. So into the same skillet that you had your, you fried your meat patties, you throw in the lobster roll bun. Just for like 10 seconds. All right, this is what we're looking for. Just look at that. After we are done with the bun, all right, remember the sauce that we made? Yeah, the mayo, ketchup, and sweet relish. We're gonna bring it up here. All that juiciness, oh my God. We're gonna spread it, all right? Y'all will love this, trust me. We're gonna come in with our lobster, all right? So, see, like that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna fill this bad boy up. Y'all see that? See that? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And then guess what? We're not done yet. We're not done. We're about to further enhance the flavor by coming back with some of the sauce. All right? That is the mayo and ketchup sweet relish sauce. Just look at that. If you didn't drip in, it's not chipping. You know what time it is. Just look at that. Yeah. Y'all see that? The lobster roll is ready.
Hard time not doing anything. I'm living thinking about you. So thinking, are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Yeah, the onion burger is quite messy when eating it on video. I know, right?
Oh boy.
It's challenging taking a bite, but it's good.
Mm-hmm.